How to create a UPS account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll simply guide you on how you can create a UPS account, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to create a UPS account, all you have to do is simply first of all open up your browser. Then you simply want to go to ups.com. I'll also make sure to drop a direct link down in the description box below. Once you go to ups.com, first of all, it is definitely going to ask you to basically select your region. So you might go ahead and simply select your region in this case. So I'm just going to select US in this case, and then just go ahead and type in EN after this. Once I've done this, I'll be successfully redirected to this page. Now what I want to do is I just want to tap the account option that you can find from the top right hand side of the screen. Once you tap the account option that you can find from the very top right hand side, it's going to take a while depending upon the strength of your internet connection. Here you can see if you have an account, you can simply log into your UPS account. But since we're trying to create a new account, here you'll find don't have a profile, sign up. So just tap the sign up button here. Once you tap on the sign up option like this, you're going to see this type of interface where you can see all of the applications, loading stuff and so on. Now you can choose to sign up with your Google account, your Facebook account, or whatever else it is that you have. You can just select a personal or a business account in this case. Make sure to enter your first name as well as your last name here. Once you've made sure to enter all these details, you'll be able to simply go ahead and enter the email address, the username and the password. Make sure to agree to the terms and conditions, tap on sign up, verify your email, and your UPS account will be successfully created. This way you can basically create a UPS account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.